Good day, viewers, and welcome to Harmless TV. Yeah, our people, another one don't still land to our table today. This one they happen for India. So concerning this, our two African sisters and brothers, so when be say they come from Nigeria, it don't they happen say this girl don't stab the boy to death. So he don't use knife take chuku the boy die. So as you see and so for police people hands, they saw the tori and be small thing saying with this boy na him girlfriend na him be. He don't say where they dey, but every day na katakata na him dey for house. Every day they must hear their voice. They quarrel all the time. Say even one time self, the boy himself don't even first of all drink one kind poison himself. Say he won't die, he won't kill himself, he won't commit suicide though because of the girl. Not do now. They say on the 25th of October when be on Sunday, so now so another problem can still come out. They say the girl now so he just carry knife. Now he stab the boy to death. He stab him for chest. They say the girl name na wetin they call herself. They say na all girl Florence na be her name. Because you know say all those kind of people when be say they do bad thing, get as how person they pronounce their name. They say her name na Oge Florence. So the boy name na Obinna. Now from Uli na the boy come for Uhiala local government for Anambra State for Nigeria. They say the bleeding when the boy bleed was the get a stab and for chest direct. So before they rush and reach hospital, blood too much. Now so the boy pass out. Now they tell now say this matter so you get a CBO, especially for Europe. When they come be say two people can't jam themselves, why be say all of them can't find money, all of them can't house. If person not take time, say not use the mind of God every day na katakata for inside the house. So this kind matter so it dey common well for Europe or for India or for America, especially people wey be say they dey for diaspora. E no easy for them. Una dey hear say single mother everywhere, single father everywhere. Now the condition of the thing too hard. Even this boy self when he be say he die, so he friend one of his friends self come dey vex. They even they make video for inside Facebook. Come they cause the boy. Say really if na because of woman matter na killer. Say he be picking of Uyala. Say he cause her. And then secondly, be like say don't tell when he be saying they tell and say make it not die because of the girl, make it leave the girl. You know say when your friend don't they drink poison all those things, you go to tell and say leave this thing, leave this thing not here. At last if something happen to her, I know say I make her they talk like that. But if you look, I not see talk well. But wetin we go talk, go talk say in the verse now because be like say they don't to talk to this in friends. So this one not come hear the matter. You know say love, you get a CB, but for love when they for you that is outside Nigeria, outside Africa self. My people, you know easy. Don't to talk of this time when it be everywhere they had coronavirus day. Money no they come house. Na katakata they be small thing. So now so the matter just be. I beg, make una pass out the news. Make una still advise our people. Say make they still they take time more. The way when they go to they handle all this kind of boyfriend and girlfriend quarrel. And if you are a person they quarrel, make you know the two they use all those kind of harsh word though. Because all those kind of matter they make person they vex more. Not do maybe not so two of them now they fight before they beat themselves before. But today now you know go no say go warrant to death. And if you look at now the girl to na small pikin, the boy na small pikin, you understand? So you know just good like that. The girl now will come go spend the whole of years now for inside prison. Or before 20 years, 10 years go come up for her age. Now woman she be, time don't pass. So may we try to advise ourselves so that we go to see the cool down small. No matter the condition, if we still verse, may we still the mellow down small. Because if we carry something and knock each other now, one person fall, it don't go. The boy now don't lose in life. The girl now they go prison. So which kind Europe will come go again, or which kind India, which kind Asia country will come go again now? Go look for greener pasture. So the matter, you not just join at all. Make it so rest in perfect peace, really. And for the girl, the vaccination when you be say you vex rich like that, my dear, it too hot, you not good. I hope this one will give advice to many of our guests so that they no go too they get hot temper. They reach this kind of life when it be say person when you they pronounce say you love now your husband or now your wife, you will come carry knife so that you get mind to choke and reach as he can't die. You understand? So the matter not just join at all. I rest my case, my people. May I try share the video. Remain blessed, you all. Thanks for watching.
It's Melody Song.